Today I want to show you my amazing fridge from Powerology. Let's see what makes this fridge so amazing. First thing, it's portable. It works up to 12 hours. Second thing, it has 55 liters of capacity. It has two different compartments. Let's see the compartments. This is the first compartment. This is the second compartment. You can control the temperature of the compartment between minus 20 degrees Celsius up to 20 degrees Celsius. So you can control the different compartments separately. You can make one of them as a fridge and second one as a freezer. You can keep in this compartment your fruits, and here you can keep your drinks which you want to stay cold. This tray is removable. It has this tray for cutting the fruits. You can easily keep it back, close it. It is built up in rugged material. The battery is removable in case you want to change it. It's easy removable. You can connect it to your car and you can charge it from your home. It has this bottle opener over here and this heavy duty handle here. Also, this fridge you can control it through application. This is the application. As you can see, you can control the temperature in different compartments separately. You can see the temperature inside the fridge. You can see the battery percentage. Then you can see the features like if you want to keep it as eco to save more charge, or even the battery protector. Also the temperature scale, you can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Also it has a control panel over here which you can lock it through the application. Now let's see the heavy duty handle in this fridge. So this is the heavy duty handle, which makes it very easy to carry this fridge in your trips, in your car, in your camping, the beach. So just you need to carry it. It feels very light with this heavy duty handle.